So today's the day that he's assembling our sofa. This is the IKEA EKTORP. It's beautiful. It's white, just the way we want it to be. Excited? Very. And we also bought a little plant at IKEA. This is part of, oh, this is like a footstool, an ottoman. Then we made more of the, how do you call it? Succulents? Cushions. We also have a table to assemble, two side tables, right? Yes. And a chair. So today's gonna be a great day. Chanel's waiting, Monty's waiting, I'm waiting. So it's gonna be pretty cool. This is not gonna work. The sofa is a brand new white. There he is. It's all your fault because he treats him like, look at that.
It's my baby.
It's your new sofa, right, Monty? Huh? He's enjoying the view. Okay, she's enjoying the view. How about let's get finished with this?
Ah, let's go, baby.
Let's go, baby. Okay, this is unbelievable. This is our reality. Hubby working and both are relaxing on the new couch. Boy, what a life, eh, Chanel? What a life, Monty. Look what Hubby's doing, working. So we have to straighten out those plans. I don't know what to do. Monty, it looks beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
It looks gorgeous.
Yeah.
That's our reality. Two little guys, no baby. Get together. This is gonna look really cool. This is gonna look really cool. We have the table. Without those two babies over there. So that's gonna be it.